even know ourselves. He knows, yes, He knows. We have no blessed by His embrace. Take the lies, 'cause He knows that only You can see me through.
Or sayon-sayonon, kung dili atong ihinunoon, nga atong himuon kini nga mabinantayon o kinahanglan uban sa pagpamatuod o pag-ila, pagtipig, seryoso tinud-anay nga pagdesisyon sa kaminyoon diha uban sa pagkahadlok sa Dios. When the Lord formed man from the dust of the ground and placed him in the Garden of Eden, Adam was lonely. So the Lord made a suitable companion and helper for him. When Adam saw Eve, he was no longer lonely. The Bible looks